Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share recruitment information from 3 different companies. Now, these may not be exactly like massive pan-India hiring, but they are going to hire definitely in good numbers. Okay, so it is though it is location wise restricted and all, there's definitely going to hire in good numbers. So those who are eligible and willing to go for this, like you can definitely apply for this, because basically they're going to hire in good numbers and good opportunities. Okay, so first, Hexaware, they're hiring like trainee infrastructure management support. The locations like Mumbai, Pune, Chennai and Noida. I had last month posted this information, and so registration closed then, within a week, and then subsequently the process happened. Okay, so the candidates who got selected, they're waiting for the offer. Okay, so that's an immediate hiring, right? Now, so here the last date to apply is 21st of July 2022, and so this is more like a technical support, application support, customer support kind of a role, and the CTC is like 3 lakhs per annum, that is 25,000 per month during the initial 3 months. Okay, during the training period, it will be like a stipend 15,000 per month, and then subsequently it will be like 25,000 per month. Okay, now before I go into the job description, I'll go for the eligibility criteria. Now 2022 graduates who have graduated in BSc Computer Science, BSc IT, BSc Electronics and BCA. Okay, so 2022 batch, only these graduates can apply for this, and you need to have a minimum of 60% in 10th, 12th and graduation, and there should not be any current arrears, right? And so coming to the job description, so they have just mentioned that you'll be using remote tools such as remote desktop support, Dameware, BombGuard, TeamViewer, etc. Like perform installation, troubleshooting, configuring of MS Outlook client. Okay, so basic network troubleshooting, right? And then so research and update knowledge base for solutions that can be used to provide first call or contact resolutions. Okay, so log incidents, call tickets into ticketing tool, monitoring incoming customer ticket queues for assignments, etc. Provide help desk support for end users and level 1-2 support of IT infrastructure and applications. So you should have basic knowledge of ITIL process and international client handling over phone and email. You need to have excellent verbal and written communication skill, etc. So as far as selection process is concerned, they have not shared anything. Okay, so so I'm not sure about the complete selection process, but what I know for sure is there is definitely a communication round and there is definitely a HR round. Okay, so there is definitely a communication round, there is definitely a HR round, so that these two are like very important, right? And so, but please remember, there is a service agreement, that is, you have to sign a bond for a duration of like 2 years, and the bond value is like 2 lakhs, right? So 2 years duration, 2 lakhs bond value. The salary is 3 lakhs per annum for BSc CS IT Electronics and BCA 2022 batch. Now this hiring is happening through the Superset platform. Now if you already have a profile, you can just log into that. Okay, click on the apply link I have given below, just click on to that, use your email ID and password, and then log in and then apply for this. Or if you don't have a profile, it's very easy to create a profile. I have made a separate video on how to create a profile in Superset. Okay, so you can have a look into that and then create a profile and then apply for this Hexaware hiring. Now the next one, Capgemini Engineering, they are hiring software analyst, right? So the eligibility criteria: BE, BTech, Computer Science, IT and ECE. Okay, so only these 3 branches are eligible from 2022 batch, and the percentage criteria is like 65% throughout, that is 65% in 10th, 12th and graduation. Okay, so they are hiring through My Anatomy platform, Capgemini Engineering. Now the location they have mentioned like Bangalore, and it will be like work from office, and the employment type is like permanent, and for the first 6 months, it will be like a stipend. The stipend amount will be like 14,000 per month. Okay, now post the 6 months, the salary will be like 4 lakhs per annum, and after the completion of 1 year, you'll also be given a bonus of like 25,000. Okay, retention bonus after completion of 1 year, 25,000 bonus, and so salary is like basically like 4 lakhs per annum. But please remember, there is a service agreement, that is, you have to sign a bond for a duration of like 2 years. Okay, and if you happen to break that bond, okay, so you have to pay on a pro rata basis. Okay, So eligibility criteria I've shared, okay, and they have also mentioned that if you have any certification in C, C++ or embedded, it is an added advantage. And what is the technical skills that are required? C++ programming skills, basic and good knowledge on Linux internal concepts, okay, and you should be willing to work on embedded field in any location like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune and Chennai. So though for this particular hiring they have mentioned like Bangalore, so they have mentioned like you should be willing to like work in any of these 4 locations, okay. So of course good communication skills and all that. And as far as like the selection process is concerned, so first round is aptitude and reasoning, second round is C programming, third round is the technical round, and the fourth one is the HR round. Now registration is easy. Link to register I have given in the description below. All you have to do is you have to enter your email ID and you have to verify it. You have to enter your name, contact number, alternate contact number, current location, the state to which you belong, name of the college, graduation month and year of passing, okay, your like so whether you're BE, BTech or like which branch to you which belong, your percentage in graduation, 10th, 12th, etc. And then are you willing to are you ready to join immediately, are you willing to relocate to Bangalore, are you willing to sign a bond for 2 years, all that they're asking, and then you have to basically like submit the form, okay. So they'll also be hiring in good numbers, so if you are eligible and willing, just go for it. Now next one, Kyndryl, okay, they are hiring associate technical engineer. Now Kyndryl is a company, as you know, like it is a spun off from IBM IT infrastructure services, okay. So basically this is a IBM company. Now they are hiring associate technical engineer. Now this information I had just today morning I had posted in the community tab, okay. So basically sometimes like what happens, like when I'm not able to record a video immediately, or if it is a relatively small information, okay, so I just post it in the post, and I also share the same in the Telegram channel. So this information I had shared in the Telegram as well as I had posted as a post, okay. So who are eligible to apply for this BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BSc, MSc, BCA, MCA, diploma, okay. So like from computer IT specialization, and only like 2022 passed outs. And so you need to have like 65% or 6 CGPA, and there should not be any current backlogs. And see, the location is basically like Bangalore location, okay. So this is for Bangalore location, but they'll be definitely hiring in good numbers. And what is expected here is should know like fundamentals of IT, basic concepts in networking, Windows, Linux, Unix and other operating system, basic knowledge of concepts about databases, basic knowledge of ZOS, and like operations monitoring, fundamentals of SAN, backup and restore technology, fundamentals of cloud and cloud computing, etc. is expected, okay. So location, as I said, Bangalore. And so if you are eligible for this, again you can go for this. So all these like so they are, though it is restricted, they'll be hiring in large numbers. So link to apply is given in the description below. Now if you are looking for like truly like a pan-India massive off-campus hiring, my video for that, okay, covering all the pan-India massive off-campus hiring is there, okay. So that I have provided in the description below. You can click on that and apply. And tomorrow is the last day to apply for one of Infosys massive hiring, okay, for the specialist programmer and digital specialist engineer, okay. So that link is also available in the description below. You can make use of it. I hope this video was useful to you. If you found this useful, please click on the like button and share it with your friends who may need it. And if you are new to this channel, or if you are not already subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.